What are cards and why adding them to your YouTube videos will help you get more views? And where is the best place to add them in your videos? If you use cards in at least 3 spots on your videos, you're going to have more people seeing your videos, subscribing to your channel, and most importantly, buying from you. If you'd like a checklist that you can use when you're posting your YouTube videos to get maximum views, subscribers, and buyers, drop a comment. It also includes a footer that you can personalize, as well as the stats that you need to track as you grow your channel. For those that don't know me, my name is Nina Clear. I discovered digital marketing in law school as a stress reliever, surprising probably a lot of people, and I've used it to grow a lifestyle channel to over 100,000 unique views a month, as well as get my attorney clients and other clients over 1 million views on YouTube and drastically increase their profitability with both email and other digital marketing. So I developed a formula to grow YouTube channels organically, and that's what I'm sharing in this series with you. So when you use cards in your videos, if you don't know what a card is, it's just a little thing that pops up in the corner when you're watching a video, especially on YouTube or if you've inserted them into others, that says, subscribe to this channel, watch this video, go to this link to see our product. It's whatever you choose to put in there. So that's what a card is. It sounds complicated, but it really is very easy. So you're giving people a chance, like I said, to subscribe to your channel, watch other videos, check out your products. It's a subtle call to action that YouTube and your viewers like. And they're very easy to add to your videos. So don't think, oh, this is way too overwhelming. You'll notice when you go to upload a video to YouTube, you do all the fun stuff of putting in your title and description and thumbnail and everything like that, and then you click next, and on the next screen there's subtitles, end card, and cards. Okay, right there. Super easy to do. So there are at least 3 cards that you should have in every video. Most people know about 2 of them. They do 1, and they don't use the 3rd, which is actually the most important. So be sure to watch to the end to know what that one is. Cards serve 2 purposes. 1, your goal of getting more customers by letting people get to know, like, and trust you because they're going through your video content and you're inviting them with the cards to see more of it. And then YouTube's goal of keeping people on the platform. And when YouTube sees you doing that, they're going to show your videos to more people because they're like, yay, this person supports us in our goal. So the first card you'll put into the video is at the beginning of your video. Some people say put this like 30 seconds in. I honestly don't recommend that. This is the one, you can set the time where you put the cards, but I found this works best at the beginning. Remember, you have 3 to 10 seconds to capture people's attention. If you don't capture their attention, they're going to leave and you're not even going to have them there to see the card, to click on it. So you want to make sure that you do that. You can either choose a video for them to watch or a whole playlist. So a few videos ago, I talked about the magic of the playlist and why you want to get people into your playlist on YouTube, because when they click into a playlist, the playlist continue to play for them unless they physically stop it. So that's always the goal, is to get them into a playlist rather than a single video. So I suggest for your first card, you put a playlist. The second card you want to put in, and this is the one that everybody does, is at the end. Now, I actually put 2 cards here. One, you're going to put subscribe to your channel. The second one is the one most people don't know about. You're going to put in best for viewer. So what this means is that YouTube is going to pick a video based on this person's personal algorithm that they'll like to watch to keep them on there. It might not even be a video in your channel. Don't worry. Most people aren't watching to the end of your videos. Not to burst your bubble, but they're just not. But it makes YouTube happy that you're playing along with their algorithm, okay? Here's the third card that most people don't do. It's actually probably the most important, so if you're only going to do one, this is the one you should do. And this is one you do after you post your videos, just a few days. Now write this down because I'm going to walk you through the steps. You're going to go to your YouTube studio and you're going to click on Analytics. And then the first tab, it takes you into an overview. You scroll down, you're going to see top content. And next to the title of every video, you're going to see the average view duration of that video. Remember, I talked about this in another video. That is one of the top things that YouTube looks at when they show your videos to more people. You'll see like a time, like 3:46. And then you're going to see a percentage in parentheses next to it. That's how long the total of your video people are watching. Here's a bonus tip. Average viewer duration, no matter how long the video is 50%. So you may want to stick a subscribe to this channel right in the middle of your video, right before people drop off. So write down that time for this next step. You want to click on the top video, so you just click on the title. But you're going to do this with all your videos, but you can only do one at a time. Go into editor, so you see that over on the left. Click on info cards and do two things. Watch the video to see why people are dropping off, so that you don't do that same mistake in other videos. Let me tell you a story that I've heard from Kevin Halbert. He was working with Jay Abraham. If you know Jay Abraham, he has helped companies make billions of dollars with their marketing and with lead generation. They had a video, and for some reason, there was like this massive drop off, like 95% were dropping off at a certain point in the video, and they couldn't figure out, why are they dropping off here? Well, they went back and they watched the video, and right at that point, Jay says something like, and in the next 3 hours, I'm going to teach you how, and everybody dropped off. Why? Like that meme, ain't no one got time for that, right? There's nobody that wants to sit through 3 hours for that information. So pay attention if you're getting a big drop off, that what you might be saying is triggering it. Now to the card. So right before that time, right before people are stopping and watching your video, about 3 to 5 seconds, you're going to add another card. I would add another high value popular video in a similar topic. Instead of leaving your channel, people are like, got all the information I needed from this video. Now I'm going to click through to this next one. You want to check this time after a few days that you've posted the video, so that you'll know where to put the card in. And you might want to check again as it's there for a couple weeks, for a month. If the times are changing, put cards in. It's not going to hurt you. It's only going to help you. Here's how you do it. So at the top, you'll see a box. So when you've clicked on the info card, you'll see a box with 0000000. The first 0 is the minutes, the second 0 is the seconds, the third zeros are the frame. You don't need to know the frame. You just need to know the minutes and the seconds. You're going to put the time in, say it was 5:26, so you put 05:20, because we don't want the time they leave. We want a few seconds before they leave, and you're going to insert a card. Now, you can update the teaser text and the custom text. If you leave it blank, it's just going to put the title of the video that you link to. If you put teaser text in, keep it to below 25 characters, and for both of them, make sure that it is a keyword that pulls people in so they actually click on that link. Okay, so you've inserted, if you follow those steps, which took more time to say than it's going to take you to do, you've inserted a card right where people drop off to keep them in your channel. Good job. So there's at least 3 spots where you're going to post cards. At the beginning, 2 at the end, 1 where people drop off, and the bonus one about halfway through your video. Doing this is going to get more people to stay on your channel, watching your videos, which makes YouTube happy, so they show your channel and your videos to more people, which in the long term is going to help you get more buyers. Right? So don't forget, I have a checklist with all of these tips for YouTube growth. If you'd like that, drop a comment. I will share it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for number 11.